Here is our laundry room where our hot water heater, it's gas, it's 4 years old, and our air conditioning system, which is only 3 years old. The problem we're having is when the air conditioner is running like it is now, we're having backdraft from the water heater fumes when it's active. We've had the plumbing company come out. They've checked the air conditioning ductwork all the way to the roof. It is clear. The burners they took out and looked at because everything was still under warranty, and they say everything's working perfectly. We had the HVAC people come out. They said the problem is the water heater and it's not the air conditioning. The plumbing company ran smoke tests that proved that the water heater backdrafted only when the air conditioner was running. We have since tried removing slats from our louver door, and that still did not work. The only way that we can get the water heater not to backdraft while the air conditioning is running is to have the door totally open. This problem started in March of this year. The air conditioning was new in June of 2014. The company that we called to look at it is the company that installed it. So I'm kind of at a loss. My wife and I can't figure out what the problem is because we can't get the companies. One is blaming one, the other one is blaming the other. And we can't get a solution. So we're trying to not be have our condo filled with carbon monoxide from the water heater. I change the filters regularly. They're clean. Like I said, the ductwork is clean all the way to the roof, and the vent cap at the roof is clean. I'm kind of at a loss, so I need your help. That's why I'm asking this whole house. Thank you.